1995 Four Winds fishing and ski boat. Comes with trailer, heavy duty hitch, towing lights, chains. It's a fishing ski boat. Has front seating. The interior's not in perfect condition, but it'll still serve a purpose unless you want to reupholster it. Trailer pulls straight. All the lights work. Tires are in great shape. They have good thread on them still. Boat is white with green accents. It's a little oxidized from being out in the sun. A little wax should get it back. Has a swim platform on the back. Ladder to get in and out of when you're in the water. There's a Johnson 115 horsepower, 3-blade stainless steel propeller. The engine, I've replaced the carburetors. I'm sorry, I rebuilt the carburetors, rebuilt the fuel pump. Replace the spark plugs. It has 4 of them. They're all brand new. Rebuilt the fuel filter, the diaphragm, the gaskets inside. The carburetors have all been taken apart, have all been rebuilt. New needles, new seats, new gaskets. The only thing I have not done is turn the boat on. I purchased it. It is a fixer-upper. I purchased it to get it running and get it out on the water. I have turned it on once, but I did leave fuel in it over the summer, and it clogged up the carburetors. That was my reason for having to rebuild them. But yet I have not, like I said, taken the time to turn it on or to see if I did a good job or if I need to redo it. But this is the interior. That's the fuel tank, or the fuel cell. I have taken it apart. There is fuel in it. When I parked it, it had a full tank, and that gas has been sitting there, so it needs to be emptied and flushed and new fuel put in it. It is a VRO. That's the oil reservoir. The VRO pump has been disabled. It was disabled when I bought it. That's a live well, I believe, of some sort. And I have the seat that goes here in the back. It lays across there, and it's in the same condition pretty much as that back part is there. These are the front seats. That's the captain's chair, and the passenger side. That's the steering wheel with the gauges. All the gauges do work. Has a compass. That's a mirror. It's facing down, but it's a mirror so you can see behind you. This middle partition there opens up so you can walk towards the front. This is like a glove box or a cooler, whichever you wish to use it for. When I purchased it, it has it's a clear plexiglass panel that goes over the fuel cell, and that part there, which is where you store your skis. The anchor is stored up there in the front. That's a piece of the plexiglass panel that you see there. The trailer is registered. I don't have a title to the trailer, but I do have a title to the boat, and I have a title to the motor, and again the trailer is registered in my name. In that slot there's a pole where it's a ski pole where you attach your ski rope to, and it'll pull a skier or a tube. Right there's a section for the radio. It came with a radio. I've taken it out to try to turn it on. I have yet to get it to come on. It may cut on, it may not, but I still have it. I believe it's a JVC brand marine radio. That's the antenna. And overall it's a pretty clean boat. Asking $2,900 for it. Located in Spring, Texas, off of 2920 and I-45 North. The titles are still in the previous owner's names. I've never had a chance to transfer them over to my name. The only thing I did was put the trailer in my name so I could transport it. I had it in my yard, and I was there. I was planning on fixing it up and getting it ready for the lake. But plans have changed, and now I have to take a loss, and it has to go. So if you're interested, give me a call, 832-537-2317. My name is Louis. Thanks for looking. 95, 4 winds. It's a 17-foot fishing ski, single axle trailer, 115 Johnson, 115 horsepower.